Introducing ABotEdu, a simulated 5G lab featuring UE, G and the 5G core. This software-based solution removes the physical constraint of managing a real 5G network, making it accessible for anyone, anywhere. To begin your learning journey, ABotEdu provides in-depth video tutorial on essential 5G procedures, radio technologies, and cloud deployment. These tutorials guides you through fundamental concept and advanced 5G operations. This helps you gain a comprehensive understanding of the 5G ecosystem. Courses are thoughtfully arranged by the 3GPP procedures, allowing you to select specific procedure and visualize end-to-end radio and 5G network topology in an animated way. Each procedure is broken down into detailed sub-procedure. By clicking on this sub-procedure, the system highlights the specific nodes where the action occurs. Need more information? The View Spec button conveniently directs user to the official 3GPP specification, providing an in-depth explanation of every sub-procedure. ABotEdu even offer executable test cases that generates call flows, PCAP, and log files, helping you master 5G analysis. Practice hands-on call flow exercise, analyze PCAP, logs, and gain experience with the real-world 5G message flows, all within a simulated environment. ABotEdu explains cloud-native 5G core deployment on platforms like AWS, both on EKS cluster and EC2 instances. It provides customizable Helm chart for deploying 5G NFs across various AWS environments, be it on-premise, Outpost, or EKS on AWS cloud. ABotEdu enables KPI analysis of the deployed environment using CloudWatch and Prometheus. Live metrics of the cluster resource usage level as well as pod and container metrics such as CPU, memory, disk usage, network traffic, etc. are available for deployment resource monitoring. Mobility KPIs are generated based on different call models executed on the deployed 5G workloads. In the exercise section, students encounter both objective type question and comprehensive procedure correction test. After completing the exercise, student can effortlessly submit their answers through the application. ABotEdu then generates detailed exercise report allowing for a clear assessment of progress and understanding. With ABotEdu, 5G learning is comprehensive, interactive, and practical. Elevate your skill and prepare for the future of communication technology.